I was lost in a world of pain, heartache, and misery. But then I saw the waterfall and I knew that it would replenish me. So I went to it. I sat near it and placed my hand inside of it. There was something mystical that entered me. There at the waterfall I found life. A renewing of me over and over again. I was reborn. Now, nothing can kill me. Nothing. I am light. I am love. I am beautiful. I am peace. I am the sweetness of life. I am power. I am forever strong. I am me, a queen of superior existence. MJK.